you ever feel like you're overwhelmed, struggling in school, GPA goes to hell? Do you ever feel running out of breath, like all of your work is gonna be your death? Do you ever feel like you're lacking sleep? Your English, math, geo, and science make you wanna weep. Do you know that there's still a chance for you? There's something you can do. You just gotta close your tabs and move your Mac. Just focus more and keep yourself on track, because it's time to do homework. Come on or you'll go berserk. Start to read that epic poem, analyze that ancient tome. It is time to do homework. Come on or your grades will hurt. Solve those polynomials. Tell them which numbers are real. You don't have to feel like you don't have time. Just don't procrastinate and you will be just fine. If you only knew what your future holds, every year the homework will be more and more and more. But don't get too concerned because you're working now. Just keep on studying, you won't be worried anyhow. Keep that momentum going, don't let your pencil stop. Don't lose your train of thought. You just gotta close your tabs and move your Mac. Just focus more and keep yourself on track, because it's time to do homework. Come on or you'll go berserk. Write an independent clause. Learn the grammatical laws. It is time to do homework. Come on or your grades will hurt. Identify ionic bonds. Show them that you ain't no blonde. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Keep it going and you'll be done soon. All you have to do is zoom, 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 and you can finally leave your room. Because it's time to do homework. Come on or you'll go berserk. Write an independent clause. Learn the grammatical laws. It is time to do homework. Come on or your grades will hurt. Identify ionic bonds. Show them that you ain't no blonde.
Homework. All done.